Hi Freaky for Freaks, Shalini here. Today we are going to draw V of BTS.
V has many iconic looks. He makes it harder for me to pick and choose from all those looks. However, this look won. V has a natural talent when it comes to fashion. His style is so original, comfortable, and classic. He is someone who sets the trend rather than following them. Fun fact, BTS does not tweet what they are wearing. Brands tweet that BTS is wearing them. Also, V doesn't like to wear shoes. He is barefooted as often as possible. V wears a lot of 60s and 70s inspired outfits. He does not need a leather jacket or ripped jeans to look cool. I really love his fashion style. It makes you feel comfy, expensive, nostalgic. It's amazing just like him.
And lastly, you are not freak but unique.